How to fix no sound driver in Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on our desktop. The next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for sounds. So you will see this sound settings right there. All you have to do is to click that. And then once you click that, all you have to do is to go here on the all sounds devices. And then you will see this output devices and input devices. Now just click the default devices right here. And then once you're now here, all you have to do is to make sure that the volume is 100%. And then once it is done, you can check if the sound driver on your Roblox is now working. However, if it is still not working, all you have to do next is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click check for driver updates. So just click check for driver updates right there and then click check for updates. And then once it is done, if you need to update it, all you have to do is to update it and then restart your computer. However, if it is still not working, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the device manager. So just type device manager right here. So just type that, and then on the audio inputs and outputs, all you have to do is to update this also one by one. So just right click on it, click properties, and then go here on the change settings. So just click driver and then update driver right there. So also do it on this part also, and then also scroll down right here until you see this sound, video, and game controller. So all you have to do is to also update that. And then, of course, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how to fix no sound driver on Roblox.